Is she on? She's on. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you may be watching this. How are we? Today we are going into... Where are we going, Zeus? Oh, you farted, you fuck. We're going to view a waterfall I haven't seen ever. So it's a new one for all of us. And I guess if we can swim, we're gonna go for a swim. Anyways, let's go. Alright, so this is just the top view where you can see down and have a look at the gorge, and all I'm gonna say is it is gorgeous. I just realized I wasn't filming myself. But yeah, look, I kind of knew what to expect, but it was nothing like this. And I don't know, I'm just lost for words at the moment. Let you guys have a little stuff. So as you can see, it's like a more beautiful Grand Canyon. No disrespect to it, but yeah, look, it's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, I'll meet us at the bottom. Alright, so we're about a quarter of the way down. No, 3/4. And I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but that water's getting closer and closer, Zeus. And I don't know if we can swim in it, but guess we'll find out. It's been a bit of a slow journey just because Zeus is very cautious of these stairs going down, which I've no doubt he'll just zoom back up when we're coming back up, leaving me in the dust. But I'm very excited for this. I've never been, all my mates have been. I have really wanted to see it for so long, but I just never decided to go. So I thought today, let's do something different, go somewhere we haven't gone before. And voila, here we are. I think I might have a new favourite spot. Hey Zeus, what you doing? Alright, anyways, I will check back in with you when we're down there. Whew. And there we have it. We are at the bottom. But yeah, look, if I didn't have Zeus with me, I would probably go for a swim. But just because you're not allowed to have your dogs off leash and whatnot, yeah, I can't really go for a swim with the big fella, hey Zeus. But I will give you a magical review in just a second. Absolutely breathtaking. I would recommend this place to anyone who's, you know, into waterfall chasing and whatnot. Just because, one, it's good to get outside. It'll be good coming into summer and whatnot, because as we all know, Australian summers are scorchers. So if you can deal with walking down all the stairs in the middle of the heat, by all means, come on down. I'll give the location out once we're all done here. Oh, grew up Zeus. New favourite spot, honestly. I love it. Alright, I don't know how well this is going to look, but unfortunately I couldn't get Zeus down there just because I didn't want to risk him, you know, injuring himself and me having to carry him all the way back up. But what I can say is this is definitely a good place to go for a swim when it's hot. If you know where this is, I'd recommend coming. If not, you know, I don't like giving too many places away just because, from experience as well, everyone goes, oh, it's from TikTok, blah, blah, blah. It's like, no, I'm a local. I've known this about this for yonks. You know, this might inspire some of you to want to explore if you're able to around your local area. All in all, beautiful place. Wish I could go swim. Unfortunately I can't, but I'm happy just to sit here with the view. Anyways, I'm gonna try and put some more of these videos out just because I don't know if you guys will want to see it or whatnot, but yeah, it's something that I enjoy doing, and you know, hopefully you guys enjoy watching me come down and whatnot, because yeah, obviously not everyone has the time or ability to do this, which is a shame, but guess you got to make do with what you got, hey. And yeah, I'm hoping this gives you some type of joy. This is just, I guess, not as exciting, obviously. I wish, because you know, I'm not swimming or doing anything fun or whatever, but you got to have these types of videos. Ow. Come on, Zeus. Alright, so as you can see, I am a hot mess. But we just came from the base of the falls, which was, for someone like me, it was a bit of a struggle going back up just because I'm a bit unfit at the moment. But overall, it wasn't too bad of a walk. Yeah, it was nice. Again, if I didn't bring Zeus, I would have gone for a swim, just because it's easy to get down on your own, but if you're trying to bring a dog with you, it's a lot more difficult because you have to climb all over these rocks, and yeah, it's just a pain in the ass getting down there. Not the dog, never the dog. But right now we're just walking down to the head of the falls. Little looksy look from up here. We've got little platform just here. This place is absolutely gorgeous, and it's definitely a place to add to your go-to list. Whether you bring the fam or just come by yourself, it's... I just noticed my hat's not straight. Yeah, it's definitely just a place that you need to come with someone or by yourself. Just at some stage you get out of here, because it's beautiful, especially on a day like this. I was a bit concerned earlier because we had a lot of dark clouds rolling over, and my car's not exactly the best to drive in gravel when it's wet. Those of you who do know me, I mean, I say this in every video, but those of you who do know me, you know where this is. I probably told you, or you know, you're local and you know where it is. But for those who don't, This location is called Ellenborough Falls, and although at the moment it's not going to reach many people, when it does, please just be considerate. Make sure you're not leaving any rubbish around, cleaning up after yourself, not disrespecting the land, or, you know, tearing stuff up and ruining it for other people. Because too often I see that happen, and it's sad, really. Beautiful places just get trashed and ruined for everyone else to experience. But yeah, just if you do make your way out here, just keep those in mind, just to be considerate for people who do live out here, and for everyone who decides to visit.